If you want to change a filter in your Xiaomi Vacuum Cleaner G20 Max, first of all you will have to rotate your vacuum cleaner. As you can see over here we can find a button, so we have to move it like that. And now this second part we have to move into the left side while holding this button. So it looks just like this. And now we get access into the first filter, so we can gently take it off by using this white part, and you can also easily put it back. And here we can find HEPA filter. Over here we got this information, so we have to move this part into this side. Basically we have to rotate. Now we have to grab this and take it off. And here we got HEPA filter that we can also quickly exchange. If you want to put everything back, it's like super simple. We have to move it until it goes a little bit, and now move to the left side to lock this. And to put back this part we have to for sure rotate. First of all we have to align over here, take a look, there we go. And right now you have to hold this button one more time, move this, and now release this button. And that's basically everything for this video.